Hi and welcome to Fit Be Well Recipes. Well, long time no see, and following your amazing response to my air fried chicken tandoori recipe, here's a Goan style air fried prawn recipe that I'm eager to share with you. Prawns are not just delicious starters but are also rich in iron and vitamins. So if you're on a check for calories, prawns are still good for you in moderation. And making these in an air fryer as opposed to shallow or deep frying is a great choice since it requires minimal oil. Also, they turn out to be super crispy and tasty than the conventional fried versions. Alright, so shall we start? For this, I've taken about 250 grams of shelled and deveined prawns. I've also already brined them with 1 tablespoon of salt. 5 to 6 garlic cloves, juice of 1 lemon, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. We'd need at least 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Let's make a coarse garlic paste using a mortar and pestle. You can also use a fine paste, but this greatly enhances the final texture of the prawns. Let's quickly add all the ingredients to the prawns. If you like the flavor, you can also add a bit of garam masala. Oregano also seems fine. Let's squeeze the lemon juice. Honestly, this works way better than vinegar here. Okay, so let's give this a good mix with the hand. Let's keep this aside. And let's preheat the air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And when there are just 2 or 3 minutes for the air fryer to get ready, coat these marinated prawns with fine suji or rava. The preheating is over and I'm going to brush very little oil into the insides of the air fryer basket. Now carefully lay all the prawns in the basket to ensure even cooking. Ideally, the best way to cook small and medium-sized prawns is to cook them on high heat for a short time, else they tend to become hard. This applies to both air fryer and conventional cooking. So we are ready to start air frying at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Time to take these out, and you see that half the cooking is done. And we're gonna flip these and air fry for another 10 minutes. Voila, we are done. And have a look at these gorgeously crispy, vibrant and tasty prawns. You can serve them either as starters or enjoy with your fish or chicken based meals too. Thanks for watching, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and drop in your comments. If you're here for the first time, make sure you click subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I drop a new video. I'd also love if you join me on Instagram and check out my website too. Stay tuned for my next video, and until then, take care and bon appetit.